Hi everybody. Now I would like to explain you about the proverb. What is the proverb? Already we know that proverb is nothing but a saying or a general truth. It is a short sentence. Today I would like to explain you about an important proverb. Life is action, not contemplation. Life is action, not contemplation. Contemplation means a imagined thing. If you imagine everything which is to be done in our life, you cannot get success. Success is to be taken by us by doing the work which is done by us very effectively. Most of the people just imagine that they have to become a beautiful singer, dancer, a writer, like that. They may have different thoughts in their mind, but those thoughts won't be proved because of their laziness. There is no use of dreaming. There is no use of dreaming. So many people use to dream themselves. It's not good. Dreams won't fulfill our obligations. In order to fulfill our responsibilities, our achievements, we need to have the command of our thoughts, which means we should have the thoughts, but those thoughts are to be nutritious to get success. If you don't have nutritious thoughts in our mind, we cannot do good things to get positive results. There is no use of dreaming always. The things which are being imagined in our mind are to be practiced. We should put all the thoughts which are in our mind should be in practice. If you put those things which are created in our mind into practice, you will definitely get success. You may have different thoughts, but so many people, they may have wonderful thoughts in their brains, but they always dedicate their life for thinking, but not for doing the action. Those wonderful ideas are to be put into practice. If you put those wonderful ideas into practice, definitely we will become successful person in our life. Contemplation means an imagination. You should not live in the form of imagination world. Imagined world cannot give you peace of mind. It may give you temporary result, but it does not give you permanent result. So that stop imagine doing anything. If you stop imagine the things, definitely imagining things is very bad habit. But we have to remember one thing: imagining things is bad habit, but the imagination is to be good. Good ideas are to be created in your mind. Simply dreaming, by having wonderful ideas in our mind without putting them into practice, we cannot achieve our goals. In order to achieve our goals, we should avoid the wasteness. We should avoid the wasteful things in our from our mind in order to get success. Ideas which are created in our mind should be beautiful. Those ideas should be useful for doing anything. Okay? For good and all, imagination is not good always. It is better to do the work by using our actions. We can achieve anything with action, but not with imagination. Contemplation does not work to achieve goals. We can have the quality of contemplation, but that contemplation should be positive, with positive thoughts. Those thoughts are to be implemented by putting them into action. Without putting them into action, By having thoughts in your mind always, if you are yourself, if you are enjoying yourself, no result will come. So that I hope you put all your plans or ideas into practice to get success. It is better than contemplation. Contemplation is good, but contemplation is to be put into practice. Then you will become successful people. There is no doubt at all. Okay, in my next session I shall come with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.